Mr. Motheo. He's a catalyst MEC. Whenever you throw him in, he makes a difference without changing. Ntate Motheo. And they will all receive certificates, trophies, goodie bags, a voucher for 500 rent from Limo Mall, and a voucher from Limo Mall. Voucher from Limo Mall. Thank you very much. MEC, this one, MEC is an admin clerk. Is an admin clerk supporting circuit managers. And every year, MEC, there is going to be an admin clerk supporting circuit managers who will distinguish himself or herself every year. But this year, someone who stood out is Lerato Letswara. Lerato Letswara. A positive ball of energy, going an extra mile, talking power, always positive, always positive. Having it can be done. If other people are saying ABC, it can't be done, she will say it can be done. Yes. Will you? Yes. They call her, will you? Yes. The third one, MEC,